In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet an uppercase letter F. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. For today's crochet tutorial, we'll be making an uppercase letter F. For this tutorial, you're going to need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You'll also need a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. Well, I'm going to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's go ahead and get started with crocheting the letter F. So for crocheting this letter F, you will need to know a few crochet skills. You will need to know how to chain, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and a slip stitch. Now, if you do not know how to do any of those stitches, it's okay. Right here, I will put a link to a crochet series that I did that teaches you the basics of crochet. So pause this video, save it to your watch later, and get down the basic techniques of crochet. Once you have those basic stitches down pat, come on back, and then we can crochet the letter F together. Okay, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get to crocheting. Okay, so we're gonna start off our letter F by chaining a total of 15 chains. So let's begin. Okay, so there is our 15 chains. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to pull up on my yarn just like that, because in this very first stitch from the hook, we're going to put a total of 3 double crochets in this first chain space. So yarn over, insert your hook into that chain space, pull up on your yarn. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, you're going to pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. That is a double crochet. So let's do 2 more of those in the same chain space. Now what we're going to do is in the next 5 chain spaces, we're going to put a half double crochet in the next 5 chain spaces. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain space, pull up. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, so continue on until you have a total of 5 half double crochets. So now we're going to do a chain of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pull up on your yarn and you're going to put 3 double crochets in this first chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain space. 3 loops is on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? And let's do 2 more double crochets in this same chain space. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a half double crochet in the next 4 chains. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain space. 3 loops is on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Continue doing that until you have a total of 4 half double crochets. Okay. Now what we're going to do is in between this half double crochet right here, we're going to put 2 half double crochets in between this half double crochet right there. So yarn over, insert your hook in between the half double crochet, pull up. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through 3. Okay. Now let's repeat that and do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook right through that half double crochet. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through. And there you have 2 half double crochets. Okay? Now what we're going to do is you're going to count up 3. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to put a half double crochet in this chain right here. Okay, just like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put a half double crochet in the next 4 chain spaces. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain space, pull up. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through all of those 3 loops. So go head on until you have a total of 4 half double crochets. Now let's do a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull up on your yarn. In this first chain space, you're going to put a total of 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that 2 more times. And now over the next 6 chain spaces, we're going to put a half double crochet. Getting some more yarn out. Okay, so yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain space, pull up. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So keep going until you have a total of 6 half double crochets. Now what we're going to do is in between this half double crochet right here, we're going to put a total of 2 half double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook through that half double crochet, pull up. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in that through that half double crochet, yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Now what you're going to do is you are going to slip stitch in this last chain space. So go ahead and slip stitch, and we can go ahead and connect it, not in your first chain space, but in your second chain space. You're going to do a slip stitch. Now what we're going to do is we are going to put a single crochet all around our F. So I'm just going to move our tail out the way. So insert your hook in the next chain space, pull up on your yarn, 2 loops is on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Go on into your next chain space. Insert your hook in, pull up on your yarn, 2 loops is on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. So continue working around your F, and I'll meet you when we get towards the end. Now for our last single crochet, insert your hook in to the last chain space, 2 loops is on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now we're going to insert our hook to the top of our beginning chain space and pull that yarn through to do a slip stitch. I'm going to go ahead and cut our yarn. And now we can flip our F over and sew in our tails. Now when you're crocheting your F, you are twisting it, you are turning it, you're trying to get the stitches in, and your F can get all twisty, twirly, all out of shape. So what I like to do is give my letter F a burst of heat. So let's go ahead and do that now, and I'll be using my Easy Press to do that. Flipping my F on the wrong side, placing down my Teflon sheet, and I'm going to press it for 3 seconds. Here is our completed uppercase crocheted letter F. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.